Hi, my name is Desi Ekstein. I'm also known in the industry as Drone Diva Desi, and I am excited to be a part of this project. I am glad that Rob reached out to me, so thank you. I have been in the industry for many years and I work as an educator in workforce development. I also have a STEM program that I work with. It's Girls Take Flight. I'm also with the FAA safety team, Drone Pros of San Diego, and an ambassador for women in drones. So to me, when Rob reached out to me about Flight Takes Many Forms, I was truly inspired. There are so many different aspects to the drone industry, and I couldn't wait to share them with you. I hope to share my passion. I think the whole industry is about innovation, and that can be done many ways. So, through this journey of the things that I hope to provide coming up, are things that will inspire you too. So thank you again for the opportunity and look forward to sharing more.